Government of India has banned 118 Chinese apps after pulling the plug on 59 Chinese apps on June 29 and banning 47 more apps just a month later, which cloned restricted apps in India. The list of banned Chinese owned applications, the most controversial one remains the PUBG, and popular battle royale game in India. While PUBG's desktop version was also a hit amongst the gamers, it was the free app version available on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. It should be noted that 25% of PUBG players of the world belong to India. In fact, there are close to 50 million active PUBG players in India, and the app was downloaded over 175 million times over the summer. The popular battle royale game has also been in the news owing to its addictive nature and impact on gamers' mental state. The multiplayer online game simply follows a pattern of multiple players collecting automatic guns in a random location and killing 99 other players to win the match. This simple and easy accessible nature of the game has given rise to PUBG addiction in various age groups in India. In fact, there have been several disturbing reports of injuries, suicides, and murder either through direct or indirect involvement of PUBG game. The tales of scary PUBG addiction. According to reports, a fitness trainer from Jammu was admitted to a hospital after PUBG addicted made him partially lose his mental balance. The highly addictive nature of the game was further brought in light when a teenager in Punjab reportedly spent 16 lakhs from his parents' bank account to buy gears and upgrade his character in the game. Yes, 16 lakhs. These incidents are the scary reminder of the fact that why addiction to digital and video gaming activities have been officially defined as gaming disorder. What happens now? The growing popularity of PUBG had also paved the way for several professional mobile game tournaments which had given rise to professional gaming industry in India. While professional gamers will now have to think of switching to different battle royale game, it is important to gently guide and pay attention to mental state of habitual gamers in the light of PUBG ban. The sudden ban on online game may lead to a drastic shift in behavior and mood gaming addicts. They may suffer from depression, irritation, and aggression and may experience functional impairment in different areas of their lives. For a lot of people, the day began and ended on their PCs and smartphones, spending more than 10 hours a day playing with Battle Royale. This shift in their routine need to be continuously monitored by parents, guardians, and other family members. They should also note if the gamer is exhibiting any signs of gaming disorder. What is a gaming disorder? As per the World Health Organization, gaming disorder is defined as pattern of gaming behavior characterized by impaired control over gaming, increasing priority given to gaming over other activities to extent that gaming takes over other interests in daily activities, and continuation and escalation of negative consequences. As per the health agency, there are 5 warning signs that you are suffering from a gaming disorder. These are: number 1. Gaming becomes the dominant activity. Your life begins to revolve around particular games and you either think about your previous games or anticipate your next game. Number 2. Impaired control over playing time. No matter how hard you try, you are not able to put a pause on your gaming time. Number 3. Escalation of gaming despite negative occurrences. Even when you do understand that gaming is wreaking havoc on your overall quality of life, you continue to play the game. Number 4. Loss of interest in previous hobbies and entertainment as a result of and with the exceptions of video games. Number 5. Withdrawal symptoms. You get irritated, anxious, and sad, or even depression if you are not allowed to play the game. World Health Organization states that the gaming disorder to be diagnosed, the behavior pattern must be of sufficient to result in significant impact in personal, family, and social, educational, occupational, or other important areas of functioning and would normally have been evident for at least 12 months. PUBG addict, help is here. It is important to understand that gaming disorder has been officially recognized as a disease, and if you need to help overcoming the addiction, help is closer than you think. Just like in the case of any other type of addiction, reaching out to a therapist or a mental health counselor will help you replace addictive thoughts about the games and teach you to slowly limit your game time. You may start with gradually cutting down on time you spend playing games, and you can put alarms and timers if they help. If you feel extremely agitated and anxious over PUBG ban, it is important that you seek professional help as soon as possible to help you navigate these testing times smoothly. What do you think about PUBG ban? It is good or bad?